In this tutorial, we'll show you how to apply conditional text to management reports in narrative reporting. Conditional text enables you to generate dynamic text based on predefined conditions and a combination of text functions and static text, which return member labels and data values to complete the resulting text. You use the ConditionalText function to insert conditional text into a text box, row, column, or cell. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display conditional text in a text box and grid rows. For information about conditional formatting and suppression, please view our tutorial, Applying Conditional Formatting and Suppression to Management Reports. For this Revenue by Territory report, I'll open the Report Designer and navigate to the Grid Editor. I'll hide the % of total column to illustrate that text functions can refer to hidden rows or columns that are not displayed in the grid output. Select the cell where you want to add conditional text and select Conditional Properties. Select Formats Text and add a condition. Name the condition. Note that the condition applies to the cell you selected. Define a condition where the current cell value is greater than 0. Select the Conditional Text tab. Use functions in combination with static text to enter conditional text that will show the revenue of entities above plan, the % above plan, and the % of total revenue. Click OK to save the condition. The condition is visible in the Conditional Properties panel. Repeat the steps to add a second condition that will show the revenue of entities below plan, the % below plan, and the % of total revenue. Save and close the grid. In the Report Designer, add a text box below the grid object and position it. Open the text box editor. Use functions in combination with static text to provide a description of the conditional text that will be displayed. On the next line, select Conditional Text with Grid 1 selected. No additional parameters are needed because we want to display all conditional text in the text box. Save and close the text box editor. Preview the report to view the report with the text box results. Now let's display conditional text in text columns in the grid. Return to the grid editor. Insert a text column after the % of total column. Select the cell where you want to add conditional text and select Text Functions. Select the Conditional Text function for column C. The text function is retrieving the text for column C where the condition is applied for the current row. Click Accept to validate the function. Verify that Show is selected for the column. Format the cell if desired. Preview the grid. The text function results for each row are displayed in the text column. In this tutorial, you saw how to apply conditional text to management reports in narrative reporting. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.